Yin Viennoiserie.
Rotisserie.
That's what I say every time I say it.
Rotisserie.
Yin
Rotisserie.
Rotisserie. Yin Viennoiserie. Today I'm going to Yin Viennoiserie in Glebe. I think that was it.
I don't know.
What an intro. To try some baked goods. Many puppy dogs in the back. We have been here before, right?
We have.
We've been here before. We'll be trying 3 baked goods. I think if we limit it to 3, that'll be good because usually I get too much and then I feel sick. Maybe we should base some of this off strawberry matchas too because people love that. People should stop making everything into matcha and just chill out. Not everything needs to be matcha. Viennoiserie. But it's got a little bit of raspberry in the bottom.
Yeah, it's raspberry jam or something. Chantilly or something, you know.
Crispy. That's a word that you should not to use. Remember?
That's not the correct word.
Flaky. Yeah. It needs more raspberry. I take back all that shit I was talking about matcha. It's actually really good. Maybe everything does need to be matcha. More raspberry. And it'd be great.
Needs more raspberry.
Pastry should be yummy though. It was good. Needs a little bit more raspberry at the bottom. But pastry flaky. Lots of matcha. I used the top one. I used the top one, but all at the same time. So coffee's good too. Whatever the brand was. The brand will be here. See? Power. Television. Which one do you want to try next? This is the blueberry tart. I think these guys have the best pastry that we've had so far. Queen Street was great. Don't get me wrong. Flaky is the word. Blueberry. I like the blueberry.
Sounds better than that.
I don't know how to eat it without getting it everywhere on my mustache. Okay. I'm just a girl. This is really good.
It's better than the matcha.
Way better than the matcha one. Matcha one was good. This is great. Very subtle. But just enough. Also crispy. What? That is so good. It's kind of like, it's not heavy though.
The matcha.
Quite light. Huh?
The matcha one.
This mustache is going to be a problem.
What can they do for the tea?
This is probably my favorite. This is almost up there with that tiramisu. The tiramisu from Queen Street's the best tiramisu I've had in my life. Like for a cake. We're having some puppuccinos now. I reckon we go banana next, and then we do the crock and bush one last. What are you doing? What are you doing? With your puppy dog? And a little puppy dog? And a little puppy dog? Surprise, surprise, motherfucker!
She licked it.
No.
She licked it.
She did.
Gee, you goofy head.
Do you want the banana? Ah!
No one gets the
No,
baby
but
D gets the
Baby
banana.
D can have
Baby D, yeah.
This is dense. Just keeping on trend, we're going to eat this with our hands. Just like everything else. Do you want to use the plate? Or are you just going to raw dog it? There's definitely no good way of eating that with your hands. It's like banana chocolate. Not bad. Still surprisingly light. A little bit of chocolate, a little bit of banana. I'm making a fucking absolute monster of this. Oh, there's a fork there. Oh. Thanks, baby. Also, rather enjoyable. A little bit of chocolate, a little bit of banana. What a combination. This one's not crispy, so let's leave that there. I think so. It's like a banoffee. How's the banoffee, buddy? Yeah, it was yummy.
Bless you.
Little table for a big man, you know? Yeah. The crock and bush. I don't think I'm going to be able to cut that.
Hey.
What was that? The last one. I'm actually quite full.
Baby Nick. Time for baby Snoop. Snoop, yeah.
Nice little scenic background there, you know? I'm going to eat this now, though, while I wait. Oh my god.
And some for baby Dick.
I wish I knew more about baked goods so I could describe these correctly. That little ball thing was delicious. 4 is definitely too much. 1 is like, they're all very good. Flaky, soft. See? Used it. But like, everything's sort of like a little creamy.
Is there a little croissant?
I should have got a croissant. That little ball thing, nice, crunchy. It was good. Coffee's great. It's a lemon tart. So they got like the lemon curd with the marshmallow top, but they've got the 2 bases on it where it's like the crust and the pastry.
So that's not what it looked like when they gave it to you.
Oh, it looked a little bit better, but I gave
Do you want to show them what it looks like?
I got this for free, but I put it in shambles. But it was also delicious. Very sweet. Very large serving for... They're very generous with their servings. But also, if I didn't have 4 other pastries, it would have been even better. So, what was it? Yin Viennoiserie. I should have asked. Look, I think I enjoyed that place. I thought that was, in terms of like the bakery side of it, very good. The coffees are great. I think it's just we overindulged. You don't need 4. 1 is fine. I think they could have used a little bit more fruit in their tarts, like in the bottom. Other than that, I don't really have a rating system. My rating system sucks. It doesn't make sense. I'll give it 2 thumbs up. If they had more fruit in their tarts, it would have been a shocker. It's good there. We just had too much. So I think next time we do this, be limited to two items. I'd rather come back and rather than try and do too much and make myself sick. But it was nice. Good to try something before everybody else did. Got that food review, Josh, off and racing. About they're just shaping the baked goods of Sydney. It's a tough job. Somebody's got to do it. That someone's me. Okay, bye.